Hello, welcome back to the channel. Today we're diving right into managing marketing budgets using Monday.com, your ultimate 2025 guide. First up, you want to create a new board for your marketing budget. This helps us because it provides a dedicated space where all budget-related data will live, making it easy to track and manage. Now that we've done that, let's add items to our board. These items represent your different marketing campaigns. The reason we do this is to keep a detailed track of each campaign's budget, ensuring that we don't overspend on any single campaign. Next up, we'll add columns for budget allocation, expense tracking, and projected ROI. This allows us to visually see and compare our projected and actual expenses, which is crucial for budget management. Now, let's create an automation that alerts us when we approach our budget limit. This helps us because it ensures we stay within our budget limits and avoid any unpleasant financial surprises. Finally, we'll integrate our board with accounting software. This step is essential as it allows for real-time updates and seamless data flow between platforms, increasing efficiency and accuracy. That's it. You're now equipped to manage your marketing budgets efficiently in Monday.com. Remember, the key lies in regular updates and monitoring of your budgets. Stay tuned for more practical guides. See you next time.